Space is interesting and fascinating, but simultaneously also terrifying. It is the final frontier. The region between our home planet and everything else in the universe is a bigger unknown, full of untold wonders, celestial objects so big that they boggle the mind, and some truly catastrophic events. From megacomets to rogue black holes, these formidable phenomena make the universe a truly dangerous place. One approaching celestial event may possibly involve devastating results for Earth and the Milky Way. Only time will tell. In particular, we will get to know its outcome only in 3 to 5 billion years. It may be 2.5 million light years from Earth, but Andromeda, the largest galaxy in our local group, is on a terrifying trajectory. It is headed straight for and will one day collide with our Milky Way galaxy. Just before it does though, it will dominate the night sky. Although the collision will take place about 4 billion years from now, astronomers have long placed bets on which of the two star systems is more likely to survive this mega crash. Until recently, Andromeda, currently roughly 2.5 million light years away from the Milky Way, was the clear favorite. But now, newer studies suggest that the outcome of the cosmic smash-up might be closer to a tie. Astronomers have recently estimated that the mass of Andromeda, also known as M31, is much lighter than previously thought. This, they have said, puts Andromeda's mass on par with the Milky Way's, which means that there will not be any clear winner in the future intergalactic collision. NASA's 2012 animation of the collision paints quite a vivid picture. The Milky Way is destined to get a major makeover during the encounter, which is predicted to happen 4 billion years from now. It is likely that the Sun will be flung into a new region of our galaxy. But our Earth and solar system were believed to not be in any danger of being destroyed. However, newer studies are challenging this assumption. The scenario is like a baseball batter watching an oncoming fastball. Although Andromeda is approaching us more than 2,000 times faster, it will take 4 billion years before the strike. Computer simulations derived from Hubble's data also show that it will take an additional 2 billion years after the encounter for the interacting galaxies to completely merge under the tug of gravity and reshape into a single elliptical galaxy, similar to the kind commonly seen in the local universe. Although the galaxies will plow into each other, stars inside each galaxy are so far apart that they will not collide with other stars during the encounter. However, the stars will be thrown into different orbits around the new galactic center. Simulations show that our solar system will probably be tossed much farther from the galactic core than it is today. To make matters more complicated, M31's small companion, the triangulum galaxy M33, will join in the collision and perhaps later merge with the M31 Milky Way pair. There is also a small chance that M33 will hit the Milky Way first. The universe is expanding and accelerating, and collisions between galaxies in close proximity to each other still happen because they are bound by the gravity of the dark matter surrounding them. The Hubble Space Telescope's deep views of the universe show such encounters between galaxies were more common in the past when the universe was smaller. Hubble has also discovered that the expanding universe where galaxies are rushing away from us, but it has long been known that M31 is very much moving toward the Milky Way at about 250,000 miles per hour. That is fast enough to travel from here to the moon in just 1 hour. In the worst case scenario simulation, M31 slams into the Milky Way head on, and the stars are all scattered into different orbits, said experts. The stellar populations of both galaxies are joisted, and the Milky Way loses its flattened pancake shape, with most of the stars on nearly circular orbits. The galaxies' cores merge, and the stars settle into randomized orbits to create an elliptical-shaped galaxy. One thing is definitely certain. This event will have apocalyptic consequences and our solar system is unlikely to survive unharmed. Humanity's only hope is to solve intergalactic travel by then. Guess we will just have to wait to find out. If you liked this video, please leave a like and check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all things space. Thanks for watching till the end. Have an amazing day.